Hello everyone, Aquarius out there, welcome to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages and Gypsy Witch Tarot, obviously. Sending you love all the way from India. I've been shuffling this deck actually. You are leaving something. You're leaving it, okay? Five of Pentacles, it's okay. You're saying to yourself, I feel like it's okay. Okay, just get me the message. I picked up 100. I'll see why. Okay, so this is for 5th of August 2020, and though timeless, twin flame soulmates connections, roles can be reversed, as you all know. And let's see, but I feel like you are leaving something, you are winning over something, and this is going to be 100. So possible 100 is saying it's to the full potential, it's not returning, it's 100%. This could be 100% rating, something connected with percentages. 100 could be followers, 100 connected with some hike, whatever it is, but it's 100. 100. Someone who is 100% sure about you, or you are 100% sure about someone or your decision. Howsoever it is, for some cases this is 100% surety of leaving some work area, or leaving, or some relationship, completing some circle, something that you no longer want, or you no longer desire, or maybe roles can be reversed, but this could be the Piscean here with the Moon card. The phase is complete here, okay? Someone here is so sure, the Chariot. You're sure about the Cancerian possible, or just sure about the movement here. That's why I said the decision, okay? So there could be someone who is sure about you and they just want to make a turn towards you, someone who wants to move towards you, they want to meet you, or this is just your individual journey of head and heart, and you are done with a wise decision here. The movement is on, okay? Yep, especially with this, the movement is on. So this is your card actually, the Chariot. There's a, I see here winning situation. I see here you're done with the decision already. This is about a new journey that you're going to take on. You just can, okay, what? You just can move, but the problem here is you're just waiting for some kind of finalization of like signature or something. I see like I see a new place here also, and it's also something that you're stacking. Could be in work, could be in real sense. New place, you're stacking, you're organizing something, okay? Yeah. While I'm cutting the deck, your expectations are not with this person anymore, or you don't expect anything. You are like an individual, you know, leaving something. With the Three of Swords, for some cases it's a separation, divorce, pack up, kind of like energy pack up. 100% sure, I don't want to be with you, I don't want to accept this. It's also someone who is coming out of relationship, or possible you are, or this is something that you are so sure because they betrayed you. Recording time 0333. So it's like move out energy also. You're moving out, okay? You're very determined here, I see. And you have a good place. You have a good place. You'll make it for that, I see, like, okay? So we'll see some cards here. And you got from Angels card as well. 5th of August. First card first, 8 of Wands energy. Expect communication, conversation, or some drastic changes. Maybe you're not that organized, but still you're ready for the move. That's what I see, okay? So you don't need someone to help you out. This is about 8 of Wands. You can expect communication, as said, so conversation, messages coming around, especially from the person 6 of Cups you dealt or you are dealing. This is also about 100%, okay? Someone who is saying that I'm 100% sure, I want to get in contact with you, kind of energy. 6 of Cups is something connected with lot happening between you and the person, but who is 100% sure? You or they, or to move on, or just someone is sure about moving towards you. Howsoever it goes. Also, this is about a lot happening, a lot of communication, a lot of conversations in family happening. This is also some reunion or union call. You're taking care of someone here, celebration of something connected, okay? Or this could be, again, I'm telling you, from the person who is asking for the chance or judgment, someone who's saying that this is wrong or you did wrong, or is it like connected with some gaslighting and all that also stuff? Okay, anyways, I feel like you're coming out from some fake promises as well, some fake ambience that's just in air and never ever were done like a movement. Now they want to do, or if there is some energy, I'm telling you that, okay? This person wants something from you. Amazing energy. You're also getting Six of Hearts energy, which is about, from this deck, house. Okay, so some celebration here, reunions happening, relatives or just family, friends, siblings together, your own childhood memories reigniting, something happening of the family talks or childhood talks or something like that, that makes you more happy. Someone possible talking about the past matters as well, so this can go for love affairs and all. But Six of Cups, resurgence. The house denotes success in all ventures. If present condition is unpleasant, the future will be happy and prosperous. Also predicts marriage. So for some cases, it's a move out, I said so shifting. This could be also getting into a relationship. This is also someone, okay, fine, yes. So this is also 100%, I feel like someone you're going to be sure about. So this could be the relationship movement, like to move forward in something, okay? You know them possible, or expect something from someone from far as well. Judgment is about the chances that will be given to you, or something that will get aligned here, especially with the Six of Cups in the house. So house, something is happening at your home. This is your own home, or this is someone who is talking sense of that, let's have a home or let's marry, because this predicts marriage also for some cases. But I feel like for some cases they might be getting very emotional and saying that right now my situation is unpleasant, but I promise, okay? That kind of energy. So let's see. This person is trying. This could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn as well, okay? If not Cancerian or water sign here, this could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, who is trying to put up with something according to their work energies as well, okay? Possible. So what's in your future call or future wife? Eight of Wands, Six of Cups. Definitely someone is trying to contact you, or they will. Page of Pentacles. There is someone who's trying to contact you, but you have done the stop here. 100% sure. This could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or something that they're trying to make you understand possible. They're trying to say that this is something, my work situation is very busy, I'm not getting time. And also this is also possible that you don't want to message them for some cases, because there are different people, Aquarians. But expect this message, and this could be a startling message coming from them. How you handle this, because are you like stopping, not replying, or do you really want to reply? Depends, because they want to show some signs of assurance to you. Page of Pentacles. Okay, what's beyond Page of Pentacles? Because it's coming reversed. So are you stopping something, blocking the energy? 10 of Swords. You're stopping something, you don't want to renew it. Possible for some cases, even if it is turning up. I'm telling you 100%. Are you sure about 100? It's 10, you just put 0 and 100. 100% sure about not to get into this, or not to reply this. Maybe someone will ask, are you 100% sure you don't want it? Or something that they are saying that trust my intentions, and a communication is coming through, which might be a Ace of Cups. Someone who is 100% sure and overwhelmed with the love and affection, and they're going to tell you that. Possible, yeah. Now the card that flipped from the Witches here is this, that flipped prior. This is the Rider, and you're also getting Page of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, which is Page of Pentacles again. So this is coming around. Possible this will come, but you won't reply for now. I don't know why you're stopping it, or maybe you're just not sure about something. But the Rider is a sure sign of good news. So there are some digits here, but we are not doing according to the layout, okay? So the Rider is a sure sign of good news, unless alongside of 6, 8, 11 or 13, and there is no such number. 3, no, there is none. So the Rider, there is some good news coming around the corner. Look at the Rider. They will get back in contact with you, or they would love to get back in contact with you. Expect some work related messages as well. It's rush. There is someone who wants this movement with you, I'm telling you, especially with the chariot. There's also the chariot, horse movement, transport, work movement, looking forward, I feel that. And the card that came here from angels is Archangel Raphael. And you're blessed to attract this angel card, for Archangel Raphael brings health, healing, and abundance. Yes, work-related abundance, love-related abundance. You're going to be happy. He'll help you to develop your intuition and inner vision. Call on him if you need help in these areas now. He also protects travelers. Journey. Are you going on a journey? Journey. Wow. He also protects travelers during journeys. So this is a fortuitous card if you are about to travel. Chariot, about to travel. Rider, travel. Eight of Wands, not decisive, like undecisive, but travel. If you are a healer or wish to be one, okay, Archangel Raphael will direct pure divine energy to you. He works on the green ray of healing and balance, so visualize yourself surrounded by a clean green light and invoke his guidance. I see money. I see financial situations will be on a healing note. Good news connected with work and everything. Expect love. Ace of Cups. Someone will be suddenly overwhelmed and they were at a pause. But do you really want this on and off situations? I mean, sometimes they go off track. Sometimes they return, because they are a reason of your 10 of Swords, anxiety and all. And if you don't want to repeat something, don't get into it. But expect the 6 of Cups, resurgence call, or at least family time here, also reunion. Work related good news, some communication might come. There could be text messages here. I see a lot. There could be recordings, like voice recordings or something like that. What's in love more? What's in love? Aquarius, what's in love? I see some energies rushing towards forward momentum. Recording time 12:12. So possible your TF. Making a decision, coming out of a relationship, finalizations, the Lovers, Gemini could be. Maybe they will talk about that. You know, it's about the Justice, Libra. Justice talks, court talks, something. You want it or not, I don't know. You might stop something that I don't want to get into this. Something like that. What's in love? I see like you're going to be very busy. I see. Very busy. Got this flip here. Wow, the Star card. You're going to be very busy. You are getting Aquarius. You're caught up in work alignment. Also, apart from being Aquarius, it's also someone who is seeking, as I said, so 100% assurity, or someone who is asking for answer. Possible you are totally no, possible you are totally yes. I don't know, because this is coming like recording time 13:13. It's like 100%. So 100% is either no or yes. It's not 50-50. I'm not telling you that. It's also someone who's asking for your emotions or time, and you're like, I've visited already, I need to bring it up and, you know, fill up my pond here. Expect some birth of something, birth of a pregnancy, also some new beginning here. I see with the Love, fated version here. So love is, it's something destined. Also your fame, if it is connected with your fame energy. Okay, your horizon, kind of like energy where your situation is actually more spreading. I see more spreading. Okay, let me see. It's just not about love, it's about other things in your life. Definitely see that. Okay, definitely. Page of Wands, something, expect something new as well. So it could be from Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Page of Wands, it could be age difference as well. In love situations, maybe a reunion, maybe just fun related talks, but you may expect some new communication here. Two of Cups energy, this could be the reunion, so this could be connected with Six of Cups, resurgence. What do you do? That's your life. But Two of Cups energy, so is a sign of coming around energy. Two of Cups. Okay, but this could be something that you will share the same note with the person, and this could be totally new. Okay, Age difference could be, not necessary. But with the Page of Wands, there is some new excitement here. Third card, the Emperor, could be Aries in particular. Someone who say that don't take me as if there's age difference. Don't take me as like I'm immature. No, I'm not. I'm very determined about what I see, what I think, what I feel, and I really want to be with you. So maybe there is this new season of dating going on or will start, especially with the Emperor, someone who will handle the situations. Maybe you will just see the reflection in this person of someone you really want to get in contact. Aries could be someone who can hold on to and is 100% sure. So maybe you'll also be 100% sure about something here. You may end up meeting this person in Three of Cups, reunion or union, or someone is celebrating the birthday here of Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, possible. Okay, or could be Aries particular. Let's be on this. They are not like the Ten of Pentacles was here. They're not like, or will not be like hellos and highs. I feel like they're looking forward for long term. So wait for the right one, okay? Don't go in. I mean, you're going to be 100% sure whether to go with someone or not, okay? Eight of Cups energy. This could be the U-turn of someone from the past because of the Two of Cups and Six of Cups energy. But if you're 100% sure, you're not returning, you're finally detaching yourself. But this Emperor, Aries, is experienced. I see, is a multitasker. He can handle emotions as well. He can handle your area as well. So I feel like he's a winner of many of the heartaches, also the relationship possible. So the experiences he had makes him like in sometimes Page of Wands energy, playful energy, but all in all he can handle both situations. So maybe you'll see the right person in the coming time, especially with the Eight of Cups energy. He also went through some heartache in his life, which was very difficult to overcome, but he finally did it, and he will not be wrong, okay? What's this Eight of Cups trying to say? Yeah, he just expect from you to clear out the air, and he will. And this may go vice versa, but if it is connected with, you're getting this Five of Swords, this person won't linger on, let me tell you honestly. So if you're not going to give them the interest, if you're not going to ask them to be with you, because they're not for light purposes here, they're for forever purposes. If you're not going to be, if you're going to lie, or if they are going to, this is like a detachment part. That's what I see. So Five of Swords is like they just want the truth. They don't want to feel empty and hollow in this relationship. So while making the decision, if it is going to come in your life, and if it is already there, don't make them feel unemotional or odd, okay? So just tell them the clear zone here, because there might be something beautiful that may happen in your life, because they can handle it. They can. What's in love? Okay. Express your love. So they're very kind of like old school, or possible your energy is like that. But go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So possible they'll end up doing it, and they're like, just when you are sure, 100% sure. Maybe someone will ask, if you're 100% sure, let's go ahead, okay? But don't lie to me. Just clear out the air. Let's not be in hollow situations. So express your love. Someone will around the corner will express each other's love, and that's going to be very beautiful. I mean, they'll handle properly you, or you're going to, both of you, okay? It's like vintage, old school people kind of energy, old love energy. Let's bring it on. Give your relationship a chance. So if it's new, your people will give each other a chance. If it's old, you're going to give each other a chance. If you're going to give, that's your life. Work on your partnership. Some of you will work on the partnership, and the love is coming from the vintage life in reality. Possible this person is becoming, or is actually ready here to the truest sense, okay? Could be new. If it is old, it's coming around for the reunion, and finally they are up to make up for anything that you people lost, okay? They walked away, they're coming around. Okay, what's in future? Call a future way. Look, getting to know each other. Possible from the scratch, you're going to get to know each other properly. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So this is going to be very beautiful here. Also, I feel like religious factors, if this is about culture, lifestyle, someone is from other country, other religion, and all that purposes, like it's like your love life is influenced by religious upbringing and spiritual path. One person thinks different, but other person thinks different. It's going to work out if you love one another, okay? That's what I see. and take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.